Reverse figure 4. This is to help to work the piriformis muscle. That's a small muscle right here in the buttocks region. One of the functions of that muscle is to rotate the leg outward. For those of you who have piriformis muscles or other conditions that are similar to sciatica, this muscle may need to be exercised. How you do that? You lay down on your belly and you make a figure 4, like this, right here. So this leg, we're going to work the piriformis muscle here. Lay down, keep the foot into the crook of the knee, and now you're lifting that knee off the floor. You're rotating the knee off the floor, and down, up, and down. Notice when the knee is off the floor that the foot is still in the crook of the knee. Some people have a tendency to take the foot out of the crook of the knee, like by doing this. Okay, that is not the exercise. Keep the foot planted into the crook of the knee. Then when you're finished with the required amount of repetition, you switch over and repeat. So that's your reverse figure 4.